Hello friends, what's up? How are you? Hope you are fine. This video is very important for Bitcoin holders. So that is the latest news of Bitcoin mining. As you can see now, let's see the live price prediction of Bitcoin mining. Last hour price prediction of 22 March 2021. As you can see now, the Bitcoin mining is going up. You can see now on the graph the Bitcoin at this period they are fast down, as you can see now, but at last, that is the live update of Bitcoin. You can see now it's going up. You can see now it's going up again. I'm telling you it's going up. It's time to invest in a Bitcoin, and Bitcoin going up with a very high speed. As you can see now, at this point they are start going up, as you can see now on the screen. So invest in a Bitcoin. That is the best time for the Bitcoin investment. Here are the high speed of Bitcoin mining. You can see here, and here are the change going down. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more this type of updates.